Fat Boy Mowers and Tractors. Friends, family, and people we met at the grocery store. Glad you're all here today. Have a little bit of a surprise today, 2 surprises actually. And it's a nice day to be outside. It's about 77 degrees instead of 88. Overcast, like it wants to rain, but that's okay. But I'm looking forward to sharing these 2 surprises with you. So let me grab the camera and show you the first one. All right, the first one that I want to show you is Mrs. Fat Boy ordered me a ROPS mounted C-clamp for my holder. She got tired of me shooting bad video where you can't see what I'm doing out here with the loader. One of our subscribers actually said, like my channel, wanted to see more action with the tractor. So I'm gonna use that ROPS mounted holder up there and shoot some video. I hope it turns out well. Right now the problem is this stupid iPhone 12 Pro Max, for some reason I'm shooting horizontal and it's trying to display vertical, so I'm fighting that issue again. But anyway, I do have the new ROPS mounted C-clamp mounted on there. And the even better news is coming this Christmas, I'm getting a DJI Osmos Action 3 camera, which is actually better than a GoPro. So I'm looking forward to getting that. It'll be even better video. It's half the weight of this iPro Max 12. I think Apple, I love my Apple products, but Apple is trying to turn their phones into action cameras and it's just not working for me. It might work for other people who do this all the time or whatever, but they're too heavy. Can't wear it on my head. It's too heavy to wear on my head. It pulls off my head. And the one I wear on my chest with a chest strap seems to never go where I want it to go. So looking forward to getting that new camera come this Christmas. We'll have even better video. All right, let's go hook up the forks and I'll show you the new surprise. Always put on your seat belt before you start. A rollover protection system only works if you have your seat belt on. Otherwise, you can be crushed. Here we go. Okay, there it is. That is a pallet fork lift box. I've seen a bunch of them online in videos, homemade out of wood, but I want a metal one. This one's made for forklifts. So that's your front gate with the safety latches on it. Metal platform, rails on the side, and there's your forklift pockets. Chains go through these hooks right here and wrap around on your forklift right there to secure it to it to make sure it doesn't fall off. I don't like the chains that came with it, but I've heard other people, I read comments from other people who got this who didn't like it either, and I understand why. I'm going to get some 3/8" chain and put on here, and that thing, it won't slide off, especially with my wife operating it the first few times I'm getting on it. Not that she's not a good operator, but she can be a little herky-jerky because she's new, just like I am, operating the pallet forks. So we'll let me put this on there real quick, and we'll see what it looks like on the forks. And here it is installed. I got it chained on both sides. Safety chain in case you want to turn it around the other way. I guess you'd really have to be trusting of your operator if you're going to do that. I don't trust me to do that, so I wouldn't do that. But anyway, that's how it looks when it's put on the forks. Now, what do you use it for? That'd be the question, right? Alright, let me go show you what we're going to use this for. One of many jobs this setup will do. Alright, here we go. This is one job that it's going to be used for right here. Is I'm installing a French drain system. Be a drain going out there to the concrete driveway. And then all of this is going to have French drain put in to drain all this water out. And that one drain out there services all that big roof right there. So it'll all go around that way, along with the French drain. It'll be a double pipe system. It'll go around the end of the pool and down to the swell down there. But to do that, I got to install gutter guards, keep the leaves out of the system. So I'll install gutter guards there and over there and all the way around the house where they are. They're only on the front and back, thankfully. But I'll get in that lift box and I'll be able to reach the gutters and install the gutters and the gutter guards, and have to wait. It takes 2 people, but we'll get that done. So I'd like to thank my brother-in-law Don for sending me an Amazon link to this, and you can watch for his upcoming new channel. It's going to be Don the Bee Man. He is an expert commercial bee person and sells a good amount of honey. And honey, of course, should be eaten locally for the allergies. So I buy my honey locally, and I eat it every day with oatmeal. So anyway, very interesting operation he has there with bees. But anyway, thanks for him for telling me all about this basket. And it is foldable. It's all hinged, so it's as big as the floor print when you close it down. So I'm going to go put that away. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you. Please tell your friends and family to check out the channel. Like and subscribe. They don't even have to watch the video. But hopefully we got better video this time around, better sound this time around. And very soon we'll have a new camera in December 25th to be exact, and we'll shoot a lot of video using it as well. But for all you people who like the 1022 bad boy, there she is. And of course, if you got a chance to buy one, They have the 1025 all the way up to the 4046, I think it is, a big 46 horsepower tractor. So great brand, absolutely love it. Hopefully they're going to send me some implements real soon. Thanks for watching. Just remember to mow on and tractor on. Thank you. Have a great day. Oh, I forgot to mention also, this video clip will be filmed or edited using the new iMovie. New to me. I've been using what is the other thing? QuickTime. And but thanks to my brother-in-law, who's one of my most valued critics, he told me that I need to speed up the ones where I'm just traveling across the grounds. I want to learn how to do that to make it more interesting. Also, hopefully you guys will not be staring at my steering wheel or my knees anymore. So let's give it a shot here. Again, thanks for watching.